12 humans have walked on the moon. That's 384,000 kilometers away. But the deepest any human has ever drilled into our own planet? 12 kilometers. That's it. That thin scratch. Less than 0.2% of the way to the center. And here's the part nobody tells you: we didn't stop because we ran out of money, or because we got bored. We stopped because the Earth itself wouldn't let us go deeper. This is the story of the deepest hole on Earth, and the invisible wall that stopped us. The 1960s. You know, the space race. But there was a second race happening at the exact same time, pointed in the opposite direction. While rockets went up, both superpowers were racing toward the boundary where Earth's crust ends and the mantle begins. The Americans tried first, drilling through the ocean floor off Mexico. It collapsed in 1966 when Congress killed the funding. The Soviets took a different approach. In 1970, on the remote Kola Peninsula near the Arctic Circle, they started drilling on land, through solid ancient granite. Their target was 15 kilometers, deeper than any human-made hole in history. They would spend the next 24 years trying to get there. For the first few kilometers, everything went to plan. And then the Earth started getting weird. Several kilometers down, drillers found water trapped inside solid crystalline rock, squeezed out of the rock itself by immense pressure. Water that had likely never seen the sky. At nearly 7 kilometers, they found microscopic fossils of ancient sea creatures, over 2 billion years old, preserved in rock that should have crushed them into nothing. For decades, seismic readings had shown a mysterious boundary a few kilometers down. Geologists worldwide assumed it was granite turning into basalt. The Kola drill reached that boundary and found no basalt. Just more granite, cracked and soaked with water. The textbooks were wrong. The only reason we know is because someone actually checked. By 1989, the borehole reached 12,262 meters, the deepest point humans have ever reached. And that's where the Earth said no further. Here's the invisible wall. It's not rock. It's heat. Engineers predicted about 100 degrees at that depth. The reality was 180. Nearly double. And at that temperature, under that pressure, something strange happens. The rock stops behaving like a solid. It flows. Every time they pulled the drill out, the hole would start squeezing itself shut behind them, like drilling into wet clay that heals itself. The drilling technology of the era simply began to cook. At their 15-kilometer target, temperatures would have hit 300 degrees, beyond what any equipment could survive. 24 years of drilling, stopped not by budget, not by politics, but by physics. Then the Soviet Union collapsed, the funding vanished, and the site was abandoned. Today, the deepest hole on Earth is sealed under a rusting metal cap about the size of a dinner plate. The greatest journey into our planet is covered by what is basically a manhole cover. Here's the mind-blowing part. Everything we know about the Earth's interior comes not from seeing it, but from seismic waves, magnetic fields, and meteorites. We have physically touched only 0.2% of the way down. The other 99.8% is educated guesswork. We have robots driving on Mars. We have photographed black holes millions of light years away. But the ground 12 kilometers beneath your feet? Still unexplored. New projects are trying to change that, using plasma and energy beams built to survive the heat. Their real goal isn't curiosity. It's deep geothermal energy, clean power almost anywhere on Earth. So the next attempt to break the wall might not be about bragging rights. It might be about powering your house. 12 humans on the moon. 12 kilometers into the Earth. One of those numbers is going to change in our lifetime. If you want to know what happens when we finally punch through, subscribe. Next time, the place on Earth where it is illegal to die. Yes, really.